Good afternoon, conference, and welcome to London. I've been asked to say a few words to you about flooding and flood risk management in London. Now, London is built on a former boggy marsh where the incoming tide meets the freshwater Thames. The city is also bisected by numerous tributaries, 80% of which are encased in a concrete straitjacket. We are also reliant upon a Victorian sewer that is for the best part 150 years old. This means that we are vulnerable to the full house of flood sources, from the tidal Thames, from the freshwater Thames, from the tributaries, from heavy rainfall, and also from the sewers. However, we do have some of the highest standards of protection from tidal flood risk outside the Netherlands. The magnificent Thames barrier keeps us safe and has been used more than 100 times to protect London. However, it is this very safety that has encouraged a certain sense of oblivion to the flood risk we live at. Much of the public, and indeed some of our politicians, are oblivious to the flood risk that we live at. Now, climate change, population growth, the ageing of our sewage infrastructure, but also urban creep, the loss of permeable space, means that flood risk in London is going to increase. And unless we do something, and something maybe fairly vigorous to manage this, flood risk will become unacceptable over time. So what we're